And then they evolved into Greeks.
I'm Helen. I'm the most beautiful woman in Greece.
Oh yeah, Helen.
I'm the war against the Trojans. No, you're not.
And then they evolved to the medieval people.
I'm a king.
I'm a pretty princess.
This is a boring video.
Yeah, it kinda is.
Alright, and then they evolved to the Renaissance.
Romeo.
I'm Romeo.
How was the Romeo? Where art thou? I don't care, you know.
Oh my God, Juliet kind of like fell. You're not supposed to die yet. You die when you stab yourself with a knife. Here. No. We're good.
Okay, and then they evolved to the colonial times.
Compliments of Concord Ladies Coffee Club and the Trio Synagogue.
Sorry, the Declaration of Independence.
Independence.
And then it was the Civil War.
Fourscore 7 years ago, whatever. Forefathers, brothers. Hi, I'm John Wilkes Booth. Oh, what the heck? I'm a celebrity. Why'd you kill me?
And then the Great Depression happened.
I'm depressed. Give us a therapist. You have a therapist? Yeah, give us his number.
I want change. I don't want a therapist.
And then it was the 1970s and everyone was a happy hippie.
Oh, yo.
Peace out.
Yeah, peace out. Promote peace. I'm
I
John
should say
Lennon.
that. Yeah,
And
peace out.
so this is Christmas.
8 days a week. Peace out. 8 days a week. He's a pinball.
That was in the
Know how we
60s.
It's time for a brand new day. Change.
It's change. Yay!
Give me one round of applause.